Hi, this is X Plus, and today I'm going to review the OnePlus 6 OxygenOS 10 update. So OxygenOS is actually quite smooth, and so far I haven't encountered any issues with this build. Call quality is fine and everything is well. The signals are okay, and I can do those regular stuff like playing games over here, receiving texts and replying to texts. And something that you'll notice is that the animations are quite smooth, especially when you close apps. It's now even closer to what the iPhone can offer. Like this. It's now quite smooth, but something that you'll realize when you do multitasking like this, it isn't quite smooth and it's quite abrupt, especially when you use the navigation system by Google. However, the navigation system by OnePlus, it's still the same, quite smooth. As you'll see, sometimes it's not that responsive. But yeah, if you choose the navigation system by OnePlus, then there won't be a navigation bar and it will be smoother. So if we use the Google system, it's swiping back like this. Same thing. And now you can customize the button shapes and the accent color too. You can, as usual, change the icon pack, which you can get from the Google Play Store. You can change the shape to square, teardrop, or round rectangle. So it'll look like this. It's quite uniform, so I think it will run without any problems. And now you can also select the tone. So if you select colorful, some parts of it will be white. And if you select light, it will be a light theme which will be white and it won't save you any battery. However, dark theme will help you save battery, especially because this is an OLED screen, so pixels can be turned off individually. And there's now digital well-being too over here by Google, where you can show your data and set up parental controls, especially if you have children and you want to monitor what is the screen usage. My battery is actually not that great because I have been using this for quite some time, and yeah. So it's running OxygenOS 10 together with Android 10. And it's under the 1 October security patch over here. And as you can see, this is the OnePlus 6, the older model from last year. So far, everything is quite smooth. I haven't noticed any lag or anything. Just to emphasize that there is this weird suddenness of unsmoothness over here when you want to access the recent apps. So that's pretty much it. Yep. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below, and I'll try to reply them as much as possible. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.